Welcome back to the campus. Today we are looking at the Danish pharmaceutical company Novo Nordisk, and we want to answer the question, is the correction that started in 2024 already finished, and does it make sense to enter the market again now? Before we get into that, I want to show you the bigger picture because this is the first time we are analyzing this stock here on the channel. Since the early 2000s, we saw a large 1-2 setup followed by a wave 3 that lasted 22 years within an impulsive Elliott Wave structure. The price moved from around $1 to 146 in a 5-wave sequence. The Roman numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even inside the final wave 5, we had another impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure. Eventually, it became clear that the top was in, and since then, the stock has been in a correction. Now, let's look at the daily chart. Here we can see the first corrective wave, which lasted more than 500 days and caused a 70% price decline. We have now reached the minimum target for wave 4, the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement. I am tracking a larger ABC correction. Why? Because wave 3 lasted 22 years. So I don't expect wave 4 to be finished in only 1.5 years. It's likely a longer process. That's why I'm tracking a standard ABC correction within the Elliott Wave framework. Right now we are in wave A, and in my view there are two possible scenarios. Scenario 1 in white. If wave A is a 5-wave structure, then wave A might already be finished and we could already be moving into wave B. I have marked a resistance zone between the 61.8 and the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level around 90 to 110 US dollar. This could be a very profitable move, around 90 to 120% upside. But the question is, are we really already in wave B? For that, I want to see the price break above the 78.6 micro resistance at $57.66. Scenario 2 in red. If the price fails to break $57.66, then the red scenario becomes more likely. This scenario assumes we are in a 3-wave downward structure ABC inside wave C. The internal waves are also 3-wave structures. The mini wave B also has resistance at the 61.8 and 78.6 levels, with a maximum at $57.66. If the red scenario plays out, the ideal target for the internal wave C would be around 21 to 25 US dollars. This is close to the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement of the largest structure, a classic target for wave 4. Which scenario do I prefer? Right now I lean toward the red scenario because since November last year the price action looks more corrective than impulsive. It doesn't look like a strong breakout yet, but I'm open to being surprised. As mentioned, $57.66 is the key level. If we don't break above it, I expect lower prices and therefore better entry opportunities. I'll continue tracking this on the daily chart and keep you updated. If you don't want to miss anything about Novo Nordisk, stocks, Bitcoin, crypto, precious metals, make sure to subscribe, leave a like and comment what you want me to analyze next. Have a great day. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.